Steven's supposed to be vacuuming the house and he's getting an argument with our mom and it's hilarious.
Hurry up, turn it on.
No?
You got like 20 minutes to get
I don't freaking out. Oh, 20 minutes. I have 20 minutes. Oh, now the Power Supreme is timing me. Oh my god, now you're timing me. That's so
Turn it
horrible.
on. Go.
Yeah, whatever, you're freaking dead. Okay. It just shut off.
Fix the hose.
It just shut off.
It goes like this, Steven.
Yeah, I know. It just shut off by itself.
Oh, it shut off all by itself.
Yeah, I already told you. It's a piece
Push
of
the
crap.
button. Push the button. Do all the way up the stairs, all the way up the rooms, and
Whatever.
in here and in there. Now turn it on. Hurry up. We gotta go. You don't break it?
Well, I did.
Dang, you are not going to believe what he just did.
Oh my god! Fat Man's gonna do something about it. Oh shit! Boy, I can't watch football for an hour without you breaking shit. You think I can? Well, do what? Come here, boy! I'm gonna rip your freaking face off. Come here!
Bad news. Yeah, they certainly lose something without Felix Jones. And Marion Barber, I know the approach for the Cowboys coming into this game is they're going to...
I can rip your back and I can't! Get off of it! Get off of it!